Jamaica has received 620,000 doses of Pfizer vaccines from the government of France. Minister of State in the Ministry of Health and Wellness, Juliet Cuthbert-Flynn, was on hand at Stony Hill Heart Academy vaccination site where the doses were immediately put to use. Cuthbert-Flynn, who is also a Member of Parliament for St. Andrew West Rural, in which the site is located, thanked the French government for the vaccine.
The Ministry of Health and Wellness very appreciative to the French people for this donation that we were able to receive. I think it's over 600,000 vaccines that we received from the French people.
With the nation's children now fully engaged in face-to-face classes, the state minister says she is looking forward to an increase in the uptake of the Pfizer vaccine, which is currently the only vaccine that is administered to Jamaican children 12 years and older.
What is exciting is that we're able to get our children back in schools. Schools reopened back in November, and we were able to actually have full face-to-face after the Christmas holiday. And I think what we saw was once the Pfizer vaccine was available for students, we saw a great uptake in that age group. And so what we want to continue to see is now that the country is opened up, we see another variant approaching. We know that there are other variants here in Jamaica. We want to make sure that the young people who are out and about, going to parties, mingling, because they're the ones that's possibly going to be healthier and then go home and infect maybe the older population. So we want to make sure that the younger people are still coming in and taking up the vaccine.
The donation comes in time for World Immunization Week. Jamaica has joined the region and the world in recognizing World Immunization Week, which is usually celebrated in the last week of April. World Immunization Week, or Vaccination Week, aims to highlight the collective action needed to promote the use of vaccines to protect people of all ages against disease.